Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best radiant floor heatings in 2019. To see the price and more information about these radiant floor heatings, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Heatizon Radiant Floor Heating. This unit comes along with a digital thermostat to set the heating schedule for a week. The 120-volt mat also generates and delivers the heat to the area up to 100 square featuring moreover. Made from high-quality material, this unit is totally safe to use for floor warming. Even you can safely place the mat on wet spots. This then mat-on comes with the self-adhesive for quick and easy installation. Furthermore, the mesh design of this unit speeds up the heat generation. You can easily install the mat underneath the stone, tile or in a mortar bed under the laminate. The thermostat program includes floor or ambient temperature sensing modes as well. Moving on at number 4. We have the HeatTech Radiant Floor Heating. This radiant floor heating system comes along with 10 square foot mat. The mat also comes with its adhesive backing for simple and fast installation. Moreover, this strong adhesive keeps the mat in place. The 120-volt electric mat offers 0 electromagnetic fields. The unit comes with a digital programmable floor sensing thermostat and a sensor for accurate heat control. This unit also comes along with a single armored cold leak. Furthermore, the radiant floor heating system is ideal for several floors like porcelain, ceramic, tile, stone, marble and granite. You can effortlessly lay this mat under the floor of your kitchen and bathroom. This safe-to-use mat is ideal for engineered wood, vinyl laminates and other floors as well. Overall, it is one of the best radiant floor heating is on the list. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Warming Systems Radiant Floor Heating. The thin mesh mat of this electric radiant floor heating allows you to customize it as per your requirement. This mat is also perfect for covering the area up to 30 square featuring moreover, this rated 120-volt electronic floor heating mat is totally safe to use. This unit has its own digital thermostat. Even the smart thermostat accurately sensors the floor while heating operation. This mat also comes with a single cold lead. Furthermore, made from high-quality material, this unit 5% uses no electromagnetic fields. You can stress-freely install the mortar and tile over the top of the system. The accurate floor sensing of this unit allows you to control the floor temperature as per your need. Considering all the features and reviews, it is one of the most affordable and best radiant floor heating to opt for. At number 2. We have the Suntouch Mat Floor Heat. The electric floor heating system is ideal to heat up the area up to 10 square feet. This mat also comes into mesh design to support quick and easy installation. Moreover, this unit is ideal for DIY projects. The blue cable mainly generates heat. The flexible and bendable cable is ideal for installing through awkward spaces and obstructions. This radiant floor heating mat is not only very much effective in quick heat generation, but also very much user-friendly. Furthermore, the set of this unit comes along with a touchscreen thermostat and floor sensor for accurate installation. You can easily trim down the mesh area to set the mat according to your requirement. Finally, at number 1. We have the Suntouch WarmWire Floor Heat Kit. This user-friendly floor warmer cable effectively covers the area up to 70.0 square feet. This thick, sturdy and power-saver cable is also very much easy to install beneath any floor. Moreover, the kit comes with a 274 feet spool with 10 feet armored power lead. The cable is very much flexible and bendable. Therefore, you can easily install the warmer without thinking about the obstructions. The kit of this radiant floor heating also comes with a touchscreen and programmable thermostat. Furthermore, you get a floor sensor along with this kit. The thermostat allows you to set program schedules for a week and it senses the floor and air modes before starting the heat production. It is one of the best radiant floor heating by far. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.